Click on the link below to get price. The Sirui Nightwalker T1.2 Cine lens set is an impressive collection of lenses that stands out in the increasingly crowded market of cinematic optics. This set includes 5 prime lenses, 16mm, 24mm, 35mm, 55mm, and 75mm, each designed to cater to a range of shooting scenarios, from wide landscapes to intimate close-ups. One of the most striking features of the Nightwalker lenses is their exceptional low-light performance. With a maximum aperture of T1.2, these lenses allow filmmakers to capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. The soft bokeh produced by the lenses is delightful, enhancing the cinematic quality of shots and making subjects pop against beautifully blurred backgrounds. The build quality of the lenses is robust yet surprisingly lightweight, making them ideal for handheld shooting and gimbal work. The all-metal construction not only ensures durability but also gives a premium feel. The focus and aperture rings are well damped and provide a smooth, precise control, which is essential for achieving accurate focus pulls during scenes. The focus throw is generous, allowing for fine-tuning, particularly in situations that require critical focus. Optically, these lenses are impressive, delivering sharp images with minimal distortion and chromatic aberration across the entire frame. The color rendition is pleasing, providing vibrant and accurate hues that work well in post-production. It's worth noting that while the 16mm lens is excellent for wide shots, it does exhibit some barrel distortion, a common characteristic in ultra-wide lenses, but this can be easily corrected in editing. Overall, the Sirui Nightwalker T1.2 Cine lens set offers filmmakers a versatile and high-performance solution for their cinematic needs. Its excellent low-light capabilities, solid build, and beautiful optical characteristics make it a worthwhile investment for both amateur and professional filmmakers alike. Whether shooting a feature film or a creative short, this lens set will certainly elevate the quality of your visuals.